Every morning starts the same. Load after load. Pallet after pallet. Rain or shine, you hustle. Because your time is money. You built this biz from zero. You're the driver, the loader, the boss. But bro, this is burning you out. You don't have to suffer to succeed. With our electric pallet truck, move faster, do more jobs per day, save your back. That's not just time saved. That's more contracts, more income, more rest. If you save 15 minutes for every job and multiply that to say 10 jobs per day, that's 2.5 hours saved every day. Now here's a quick comparison for you. Everything is at a touch of a finger. No more endless pumping. Use your energy with things that matter most. Remember, work smart. And speaking of smart, the EPT20V works smartly in tight spaces. Imagine you're inside a lorry. This can maneuver through narrow gaps and tight spaces, unlike a manual pallet truck where space is a constraint. And when it comes to safety, the difference is clear. On a slope, the EPT20V can stop and hold its position, giving you full control, while a manual pallet truck just keeps rolling down. This keeps both your team and your goods safe. At YK Tow, we don't just sell machines. We stand with brothers like you, who sweat for every cent. We recommend what works, because we've seen it work. Bro, don't get burnt out. Gear up and call us at 6542-3232. Let's move your business forward. And while stock lasts, get a free battery with your order. Be truly fast, efficient, and ahead of the game.